In today's video, I am going to teach you how to clear browsing history on Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome and looking to the top right corner of the browser window. You will see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the main Chrome menu, and it is where many important settings are located, including history and privacy controls. Click that 3-dot menu to open the drop-down. In the menu that appears, find and select History. When you hover over or click History, Chrome will show you additional history options. From there, choose Clear Browsing Data. This will open the Clear Browsing Data window, where Chrome organizes the information it can remove. At this point, take a moment to read what you see on the screen. Chrome typically lets you choose a time range, like the last hour, the last day, or all time. It also usually offers different categories of data, such as browsing history. Depending on your version of Chrome, you may also see options related to cookies or cached files. Clearing browsing history will remove the list of sites you visited from this browser profile, which is useful for privacy and for keeping your history list clean. Once you are ready, proceed within the Clear Browsing Data window to complete the removal based on the choices shown there. And that is all there is to it.